car diagnostic readers quickly identify vehicle problems, helping drivers detect faults early, reduce repair costs, and maintain reliable performance. Today's video is about top 5 best car diagnostic readers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Incel Universal OBD Scanner for Car. The Incel AD310 OBD2 scanner is a reliable, user-friendly tool ideal for both DIYers and professional mechanics. Recommended by YouTuber Scotty Kilmer, it efficiently identifies the cause of the check engine light and allows users to read in clear diagnostic trouble codes, view live and freeze frame data, check I/M readiness, and collect vehicle information. Designed for durability, the AD310 features a sturdy 2.5-foot cable, a sleek, compact body weighing just 12 ounces, and a large, clear display. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to transport, while the clearly labeled buttons simplify navigation. Supporting all OBDI protocols, including KWP2000, J1850 VPW, ISO 9141, J1850 PWM, and CAN, the AD310 is compatible with most vehicles from 1996 onward across US, European, and Asian models. It draws power directly from the vehicle, eliminating the need for batteries or chargers. Portable, fast, and accurate, the AD310 is a must-have home or travel diagnostic tool, making it simple to maintain your vehicle and address engine issues efficiently without prior technical knowledge. Now our second product is Stull OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool. The Stull AnyScan A30M OBD2 scanner is a feature-packed, budget-friendly diagnostic tool designed for both DIYers and home car owners. With lifetime software updates and zero subscription fees, it offers full access to diagnostics, reset tools, and maintenance functions for vehicles from 1996 onward. Its wireless BT 4.0 connectivity allows cable-free diagnostics up to 33 feet, making active tests on components like fuel pumps, injectors, windows, and sunroofs effortless. Equipped with 26 essential reset functions, including oil reset, IPB, SIS, ABS brake bleeding, and more, the A30M helps maintain your vehicle in peak condition while saving on dealership trips. It supports over 85+ car brands, with upgraded protocols for FCA AutoAuth and CAN-FD, ensuring compatibility with newer models. The scanner also provides up to 8 live data streams with real-time graphing, full system OE-level diagnostics, and multilingual support in 15 languages. Compact, intuitive, and reliable, the Stull A30M is a must-have tool for anyone serious about vehicle diagnostics and maintenance. Our third product is BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDI Scan Tool. The BlueDriver OBD2 scanner is a professional-grade diagnostic tool designed for car owners who want in-depth insights without the cost of expensive shop equipment. With BlueDriver, you can read in clear trouble codes for the engine, ABS, airbags, SRS, TPMS, and more, giving you access to data typically available only to mechanics. Beyond basic code reading, BlueDriver provides unlimited repair reports with possible causes and fixes, plus real-time live data monitoring while driving. Its wireless Bluetooth connection lets you scan your vehicle via your smartphone or tablet without tangled cables, making diagnostics fast and convenient. The user-friendly app includes repair videos and step-by-step instructions, empowering DIYers to confidently handle maintenance and repairs. One-time purchase covers everything, no subscriptions or hidden fees, and it supports all gas-powered vehicles from 1996 onward, including GM, Ford, Toyota, Honda, BMW, and more. Backed by 24/7 professional support, BlueDriver ensures you always have guidance when needed. Compact, intuitive, and highly reliable, it's a must-have for anyone serious about vehicle diagnostics. Now number 4, Umeja Diagnostic Tool for Cars. This OBD2 car and truck scanner is a powerful, multifunction diagnostic tool that brings professional-level insights to DIYers and mechanics alike. It can read in clear engine error codes, display live data with graphical views, show freeze frame data, check mail and I/M readiness, and collect detailed vehicle information. While ABS codes aren't supported, it still provides clear code definitions to help you understand your vehicle's health before visiting a repair shop. Compatible with most vehicles from 1996 onward, including US, European, and Asian models, it supports all major OBDI protocols, KWP2000, J1850 VPW, ISO 9141, J1850 PWM, CAN, and multiple languages, making it ideal for international users. Its rugged, compact design with a heavy-duty 2.5-foot cable ensures durability while working in garages or on the go. Equipped with a built-in battery tester, O2 sensor, and EVAP system diagnostics, the scanner helps maintain engine efficiency, reduce emissions, and prevent unexpected failures. Lightweight, accurate, and fast, this tool is perfect for home diagnostics or as a gift for car enthusiasts. And our last choice is Carista Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner. The Carista EVO Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner is a versatile, wireless diagnostic tool designed for car enthusiasts and DIYers who want full control over their vehicle's diagnostics and customization. Out of the box, it provides basic OBD2 functions, such as reading and clearing codes, but accessing advanced diagnostics, live data, service tools, and vehicle customization requires a paid subscription through the Carista app, available in 1-month or 12-month plans. Compatible with a wide range of makes, including Audi, BMW, Toyota, Volkswagen, Volvo, and more, the Carista EVO integrates seamlessly with supported vehicles. Its all-in-one functionality allows users to view freeze-frame data, perform DIY maintenance, monitor live engine parameters, and unlock settings that are normally SFD-locked, offering advanced customization for VAG vehicles officially licensed by Volkswagen Group. With wireless Bluetooth connectivity, the scanner works effortlessly with Android and iOS devices, making it easy to manage diagnostics from your smartphone or tablet. Compact, user-friendly, and highly functional, the Carista EVO is an excellent tool for those who want to maintain, monitor, and optimize their vehicle without relying on workshops. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.